Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to teach you SMC market structure. Are you finding it difficult to trade any strategy? You can trade SMC and you will not regret. On today's video you are going to learn about break of structure, change of character and liquidity with retest entry. So let's dive in. On my screen right now, firstly, before identify anything, you have to know your trend. Right here we are on a bullish we are on a bearish trend. We are on a bearish trend. Market is going down right here. So like market is going down right here, we have to mark our break of structures. After we have identified our break of structure, we can see right here that market break this last high. This last high right here, market broke it up, that form a change of character for us. So after market have changed character right here, we know that we are on a bullish trend right now, and market is going to come back to is going to retest back to this POI. So how do we know that this POI market is going to? POI means a point of interest where we want to take this trade. Right here we have a fair value gap and order block. Let's mark our last low. This last low have to be protected. So this is our fair value gap right here. And this is the order block below it. So this is our point of interest right now. We knew that market is going back to fill this fair value gap. So what next? You can see what market did here. Market break another structure, but most people will think that market is creating another new high. So this fair value gap is no more valid. No, it's a trap, guys. It's a trap. This low right here, many traders trade it as a breaker block. It's a liquidity place where money are stuck. So but we are not trading breaker block here. So this place now is our liquidity place, where this place is going to be swept, and before the market move to go back to our POI. Let's look further. You can see how market come down to our order block right here. This is our order block. You can see how the market touches our order block and start moving on right here. So like this, maybe you have entered the market with this order block. Market is going to create something that we know as change of character here. So I may wait for the change of character to happen for proper risk management, for lower risk management, or I can decide to go in like this and set my SL below this below this last low. But I'm seeing something here that we have a double bottom right here. So this market is going to get to this double bottom before it create a change of character and retest again before moving higher. So with this kind of strategy, you are going to make a massive profit with SMC strategy. So I want you guys to learn this, to make your own research and to learn more about this strategy. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Happy trading.